Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. It's me, Maricel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for you to get notified on my next video. So for today's video guys, I am going to do unboxing of high-end and powerful laptop, the MSI. So as you can see, the box is on my back, so we were going to do unboxing, and then I am going to tell you guys the specs or the specific details of this laptop and how much is the price or the cost of this laptop. By the way guys, disclaimer, this video is not sponsored and this video is not to brag, but to inspire or to share and to educate other people, especially for those people who are looking and searching for laptops. So before anything else guys, please follow me on my social media. So without further ado, let's start with the video. So yeah guys, this is the box of the laptop, MSI, and then it says here True Gaming, and on the other side this is like this. So yeah, let's start opening this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and it's so secure. So secure that they have a foam here and then a plastic. So let's start with this first. What's in here? Let's see. I'm going to open it. So this is probably a charger. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So they still have the plastic, so it's really a brand new. And the other one, a cord for the charger too. I'm going to put this here. So yeah, I'm just going to plug this in the outlet, and then this is for the laptop. Next is the computer. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be careful because this laptop is too expensive. So they have this little cute. Yeah, we're here to help, so if we have a question, let's just contact them. And then this quick start guide notebook or the manual. So this is the laptop. It's very secure with a plastic bag. And then another clothing or a bag cloth. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I just like the dragon. Let's see. I'm so excited guys. Oh my gosh, so this is the laptop. It's silver, and then I love this. So from the side, this is how it looks like from this side, and then here it's just so smooth, and then here and then at the back. Oh wow. And then here is the, yeah, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then this guys, maybe you cannot see, but it has a plastic Yeah, it's so secure. It still has a plastic. So now I'm going to open it. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth. Like, you know, like, let's see. It's so smooth. Yeah. Oh, there's another cleaning cloth. Wow, for the keyboard. And there's a webcam. Now I'm going to turn this on here. Oh my gosh, this, guys, the color is a rainbow color. I love it. Even the keyboard, you can see here. So yeah, guys, I really love this, the color. And then this, the keyboard and the wallpaper. I really love it that I'm not going to change the wallpaper. Yeah. I can try to turn the lights off so you can see the beautiful colors. So yeah, if I turn the lights off, it looks like this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty, guys. Now let's try YouTube. And yeah, it's so fast. Like, I just clicked the Google Chrome and then it's so fast. Let's try YouTube. Wow, it's so fast. Let's see my name. Also, yeah, this is me. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification. Let's see the camera, guys, the webcam. It's the camera, guys. It's not bad for a webcam. You know, the quality is still really good. Laptop name GE66 Raider 10 SV, color titanium blue black. LED panel 15.6 FHD anti-glare IPS level 144 HC. CPU Intel Core i7-10750H processor. VGA GeForce RTX 2070. HDD 1TB SSD RAM. DDR4 16GB. RF WLAN plus BT combo module. OS Windows 10 64-bit. Keyboard US International. Battery MGM 15.2V 99.1 WH4 cells. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.